Recently looking at performance of web applications using ArcGIS online, and native and hybrid applications, those that are installed. We wanted to see if there was a big difference between a web experience loading ArcGIS data and native installed performance. What you're looking at here is actually ArcGIS Online. We've just loaded a culverts data set here, and we're zoomed pretty far in, so let's just look at the performance here. Now you can see it's kind of sluggish, but it's acceptable. These are feature layers. Let's just zoom out and see how that performance is when we're actually zoomed out. So you can see we're drawing. Now we get ever more sluggish as we go out here. There's quite a lot of features being drawn here, and you can see as I move my finger we're getting a reasonably slow follow. Let's zoom even further and see how we come even further out. Certainly the performance degrades significantly as you add more features to the map. This is a web map, so this is what one would look at through a browser, and this is actually JavaScript written by Esri. So we just wanted to compare the performance based on code that is actually written by Esri, and as you can see we're getting to a point now where it really is very sluggish indeed. It's a product of the features we're drawing. We're actually using feature layers here, and each one's drawn individually, and it looks as though the performance significantly degrades as you zoom out. So that's that, which is markedly inferior as one zooms out. Let's just do a native application now. Now what we're going to load here is the Esri widget. Now we've already set it up, so it's already installed. Again, looking at ArcGIS Online, this is the free widget Esri have made available in the Android and the Apple stores. We've simply installed that on this Android tablet, and we've just loaded the same data set that we just saw. So let's look at that. In terms of panning at this zoom level, we're performing very fast. Let's zoom out and see if we see the same degradation, and apparently we don't. Now it's taken a minute to draw here, but and there's a lot of features. It seems to be loading slowly, but we certainly would seem to be showing a much improved performance using a native application. This one is written in, but again by Esri. This is actually a C++ Java application that they've written here. So this is super fast. Clearly, with this type of data set, it would seem that a native application is almost a prerequisite. Now we're big advocates of web and hybrid, which is a web application that's basically converted to an installed application. But clearly, in some instances, performance is an issue, and in this particular case, it would appear to be a big issue. So these results are very interesting to us. Thanks for watching.